So this is our code for the vibration sensor, tilt switch, and then knock detection sensor. So I have set pin 16 as input pull up and then attach a trigger on that pin 16 is falling. So like when the state goes from high to low, and on the event when the event occurred, I'll start a sound and say vibration detected for 2 seconds. So let's just see the demo. So this is our knock detection sensor. So it will detect the knocks, and this is our vibration switch, and this is our tilt switch. So in all, this one is actually the ground, not the signal, and the middle one is VCC, and this one is the signal. So like the pins will depend on like what kind of modules you have, but if you look closely, like there is a resistor between this VCC and this signal. So when there is a resistor between the VCC and signal, so that is how we determine the pin. So this is our signal, not the ground, and this is our ground, and this one is the VCC. So all works the same way. So this is our knock detection sensor. So when I tap on this, it will like beep that sound. Similarly, like this is our vibration switch. So when there is any vibration, it will again like detect the vibration and like start the sound, alarm sound. Same goes for our tilt switch. So when I tilt this switch, it will when, so when I tilt this switch, like it will do the sound.